Alright, I have to say, this thing is actually really cool. We had an older robot vacuum that did not work this well. The app alone is really nice because it maps out your home. If anything, I think the biggest game changer here is that it's smart enough to know where to go and where not to go. It kind of has a division of rooms. You can see right now, I think it's just cleaning in my dining room and living room. It cleans up things like pet hair extremely well, and this has been a game changer from where I have to sweep once or twice a day to where you know, I'm just doing kind of spot cleaning, honestly. So this has been really nice. The cat hates it. You can see him there. But even when you move things around in your home, like we have a bunch of boxes for Christmas and stuff right now, it seems to adapt relatively quickly to that. It has gotten stuck a couple of times under some really low cabinets, so you can update the app with sort of no-go zones, which I haven't done yet, but this is pretty quiet. And then the other thing that I really like is it seeks home automatically and usually gets there unless it gets stuck or runs out of batteries, which is infrequent. And if that happens, it notifies you in the app. So like I work upstairs and can get a notice that I need to come downstairs. And then the auto empty feature, I know some robot vacuums have had that for a while, but it's been a real game changer for us. So again, you can see here, we got this bag. It has a relatively large capacity, and it will empty straight into there. Only complaint I have is that the bag appears to be disposable and not reusable. You can see the cardboard here where you pull it out. But I might see if I can figure out a way to do that. Otherwise, we have nicknamed this guy Scoot. And he does a really nice job. So thanks, Scoot.
Starting to charge. The 2-in-1 dust.
Tappy! Tappy's like, where am I going? I'm so confused. Here I am, there I am. There I am, I gotta back it up. Back it up. Here comes a kitty. What? What? He's all done.
Start collecting dust.
The cat doesn't like it.
Starting to charge. Stoßstange vorne klemmt. Überprüfen Sie bitte. Reinigung wurde fortgesetzt. Stoßstange vorne klemmt. Überprüfen Sie bitte.
Hört sich an wie ein Trecker.